Hey guys, welcome to Quick Guide. This is Upama Sherpa, and in today's video I'll show you how to create a boomerang on Snapchat. One of the reasons Snapchat has been able to maintain its popularity over the years in the face of extreme competition from platforms like Instagram is the company has consistently added new fun features to its platform. Features like Story, the Snap Map and more have given Snapchat some serious staying power. Another popular feature that has been introduced to Snapchat is Boomerang. This feature is quite easy to use. Now, in order to create a boomerang on your Snapchat, watch this video very carefully and follow these simple steps. First, go to your Snapchat application on your mobile device, then tap on it to open. As you land onto the Snapchat's camera, go to the capture button that appears on the camera screen. Then record a 1-second video. It does not matter if you go over the designated length because you can trim the video later if you like. Now if you want to add the infinity loop, you can go to the infinity loop icon and tap on it. Now you can move the slider to the left or right in order to adjust the frames here. At any time you will be able to have a quick review of the loop and make some final adjustment until you are completely happy with the preview. Now once you are done, go to the plus icon and tap on it. And then go to done option in order to share your story and tap on it. Now once you have finalized your boomerang story, go to the send to option at the bottom of your screen and tap on it. You can now share it with your friends. This is entirely up to you. Or you can go to my story option and tap on it. Once you do that, a blue bar appears at the bottom of your screen. Now go to the send icon and tap on it. Now your boomerang has been successfully added to your story. This was the easiest way to create a boomerang on your Snapchat. So that's it for today guys. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to hit the like button if the video was helpful. Subscribe to the channel and stay updated for more videos like this. Bye bye.